Happy New Year and welcome back to the campus for the start of our spring semester. With the current level of COVID-19 infection in our community and across our nation, I understand that many of our faculty and staff are concerned about their health and safety and the welfare of their students as we approach the start of the spring semester. There is nothing more important than the health and well-being of our university community. Your welfare rests at the heart of every decision we make in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. And we will continue to do everything we can to maintain an environment where faculty, staff, and students feel safe and protected. As one of the first contacts with our students, you are often asked to carry a heavier burden, and this time is no different. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, you have selflessly dedicated yourselves to your students and to the availability of a high-quality education. You have shifted without complaint or need for praise. The plans, procedures, and policies we implemented this past semester were well thought out and effectively executed. This effort has allowed us to provide a safe, in-person classroom experience that our students expect and deserve. These procedures served our campus very, very well over the fall semester, and they will continue to serve us through the coming spring semester. Your efforts last semester ensure that our students can safely return to campus this week. We will continue to do everything we can to maintain that same commitment to safety by wearing masks, washing hands, watching our distance, and practicing other safety precautions. The protocols we implemented during the fall semester resulted in few positive COVID-19 cases among our campus community. Just like in the fall semester, our facilities team has worked to ensure social distancing and regular sanitation in our classrooms and campus buildings. But we all, individually and collectively, must continue to remain vigilant and to faithfully follow these protocols in order to ensure the safety of our campus for the spring. While we are confident in our protections of our campus community, we cannot ignore the increased number of COVID-19 patients that fill our area hospitals, nor would we want to, as we bear witness to the work of our AU heroes on the front lines. While we grapple with the current rise in cases, our health system colleagues will firmly attest that our hospitals are some of the safest places in our community and pose less risk than a casual trip to the grocery store. The precautions we've taken on clinical care units to include ventilation, PPE, and much, much more has allowed our caregivers to continue their life-saving work. In addition, the breakthrough, state-of-the-art treatments identified right here on our campus means that we have access to the best medical experts and the most innovative treatments in the country. These providers continue to serve as a central resource in our COVID-19 campus planning and protocols. Further, the work of our health system to lead COVID-19 response and offer widespread testing and soon-to-be vaccines for larger populations of people means that when it comes to COVID-19 safety, we are light years ahead of many university counterparts and certainly among the leaders in our state. In less than 3 weeks, we have vaccinated nearly 6,000 individuals within our health system and health sciences campus, and we are hopeful that we can expand vaccine offerings to university faculty, staff, and students soon. Our expansion, however, must be done in accordance with the CDC and the Georgia Department of Health prioritization guidelines. So while information is likely to change, we are confident that our campus community will soon be in a position to receive the vaccine as part of Georgia's Phase 1B. Because we are home to an academic medical center, our university faculty, staff, and students will likely have the opportunity to receive the vaccine before most universities. This additional level of protection for our university community can provide life-saving hope for our faculty, staff, and students in our journey to reach a new normal. I know that many of you are anxious to receive the vaccine, and I'm committed to providing routine updates on what we know relative to that effort in my weekly videos. We will also continue to report on campus transmission of coronavirus on our website and provide updates relative to vaccination. In addition, we will work closely with our counterparts to monitor the situation and make adjustments when needed. I want to thank you for your commitment to Augusta University and to the future of every student who will be better off for having weathered this pandemic due to your encouragement, mentorship, and compassionate concern. Thank you all for the amazing work you do day in and day out. Please stay tuned for more communications over the coming days and weeks. Thank you very much.